Hey, what's up? CJ, aka Cecil Parker here. I just want to throw you guys another bike check for 2022. This is what I'm going to be riding this summer, and I'm still with the Fit PRK MD. This is it right here. This is the 2021 series because I had a hard time finding the 22 series. But what I did was I'm just riding the complete, and then I just went ahead and got a new chain. I got the Primo chain, and this is the PRK complete. So as you notice, the seat is different. The seat's different. I don't know, they got to put more cushion on it. And I'm over here at the skate park. I'm over here at the new spot in New Mexico, Los Altos. So this is what I'm going to be riding for a while, and it's the 2021 PRK Fit MD, and I'm going to go take a ride myself. So you guys have a nice ride, and we'll see you guys on the next clip.